How to upload files on Google Drive. Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. Today, we have prepared a very useful video for you. Stay until the end of the video because I will show you how to upload your files to Google Drive. Let's get started. Open the Google Drive app on your phone. Then press the New button on the right side. Next, click on the Upload button. Find and select the file you want to upload by clicking on it. Repeat the process multiple times if you have more files. Of course, if you want to upload multiple photos at once, select Multiple Photos and press Done. For demonstration purposes and faster upload, I have selected only one photo. This way, you will always successfully and quickly upload your files to Google Drive. If you liked the video, give it a like. For more tips and tricks, follow the channel.